you wish to create a new CMS page, you will need to complete these 3 steps. First, create a typology according to the needs. Second, populate it by adding instances to it. And finally, create the proper HTML templates that will retrieve the CMS content and will display it in the front-end side. For achieving the first step, we need to go to the admin panel, CMS, Configuration tab. In this panel, we will get a list of all the typologies already created on this website. Here we can edit the structure of any of these typologies, we can delete or add content to them. In this case, we will create a new one. We need to assign a name to the new typology. Let's call it, for instance, test_typology. The description is an optional field that will contain a short description that can help to easily identify the purpose of this typology. Let's add some text. For instance, this is a test typology. Instead, the type field will serve as a typology filter. Each of these options will separate all the typologies according to their purpose. In this case, let's select the page option. In this light blue area, we can get all the field types that will help us to build a typology according to what we are needing. We just have to drag and drop as many fields as needed. Let's add some fields here. Let's call it text field 1. This is a simple text. Let's add a long text that in the following video we will see what is the main difference between these 2 types of fields. Text field 2, and let's add an image field. Image field 1. Okay, there are some fields that have specific properties, like the maximum size we can see here in the image field. This property will set either a width or a height that it's a limit to the image to be uploaded. If the user tries to upload an image bigger than the limit set, the image will be automatically resized according to the values specified. In this case, let's add 700 pixel width as the maximum size. Once we have set all the fields we have planned for this typology, we save. And here in the typology list, we will find the new one, the test typology with the description we added. If we go to the Contents tab, we will find the new typology here as well. Here in this Contents panel, it's where we can find also the filters that we were talking about before, the typology filters. If we go back to the Configuration tab, we mentioned it before that we had different types of typologies like the home, the page, the menu, the blog. And these are the same filters: home, page, menu, blog. Now, the only thing that would be needed is to add a new content for this typology, but we will see this in the following video.